Hey, this is Marco, and I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So first, what you want to do is open up your Binance, go to markets, and just find your USDT. Once you have done that, you want to go to the deposit and withdrawal. That is basically going to give you this option where you can scan or just copy paste the wallet address code. From there, go to your tone and then just type on send or receive in whatever scenario you want it. Then again, enter the name, address name from Binance here. Click on continue, and then here if you go back, just double check the deposit address. Then go back to Ton, enter the amount you want to send, and then here you will have the proof that it's sent, and again that it has come to Binance. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.